Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the question tiles or the question marks to complete the vaulted event in Plants vs. Brainrots latest update. Okay, the vaulted event update has been released and you can join the event, guys. Just go to the central island. And then here you will see defeat key leaders to reveal clue tiles. Plant on the question tiles that appear in your garden for clues. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can find the question tile. I'm going to go back to my garden and okay, you can rotate your screen, and these are the question tiles, and you need to plant right here. And wait, I'm going to plant this one. Okay, let's blend the eggplant. Okay, and clue found. And after the clues have been found, you can monitor your progress right here. If you want to get the rewards, you need to complete or you need to find 25 clues and you will get all those rewards. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the question tiles in your garden to join the vaulted event in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.